Don't they? Okay, yo, it's clearly something wrong with this shit. Like, who gonna speak on it? You? Come on, don't everybody speak at once, bro. So ain't nobody gonna speak on it? Nobody? Y'all just gonna watch the shit? Alright, bet.
Kelly spread through the Benjis, nigga.
Look, I'd rather stay reticent. Speaking is irrelevant. There's an elephant in the room, but if I speak, I'm the bitch's nigga. They like, who is this nigga? I'm a truistic nigga. Wrote it if I spit it, nigga. Don't put triggers, cause I'm bigger than the influence. Only a coincidence could turn a 10 in hell into a wince. You never see a dolphin in the sky, so I believe things happen without a why. Look, there's always a reason. Frontin' ass rap niggas out committing treason against us. My team the chosen ones like it was Jesus that sent us. Bitches please us and then fuss, cause they can't stay. Nah, you ain't paying rent, sus. Why your hands out, nigga? What you ever lent us? When pockets was on lint dust, you was not around. You was up looking down on us and you smiled. Now we up, you wanna frown on us, then that's wild.
Cause I know the feds listening, they listening. Yeah, I know the feds listening, they listening. Yeah, I know the feds listening. I know the feds listening, I know the feds listening. Yeah, I know the feds listening.
Kelly spread through the Benjis, nigga.
I try not to get into conspiracies. No, I don't trust drugs, so a nigga stand clear of trees. No, I am not woke, my nigga, this shit ain't clear to me. Tell me, are you feeling me? Just tell me what's the remedy to change the world. They say life's a bitch, so who named the girl? Maybe he's at fault for the fall apart. Maybe rap is dead cause there's nothing left to talk about. Before I gave a fuck about this shit, my nigga, I was trying to walk it out. This what you talking about. Ain't nobody trying to hear that shit. Keep it to yourself, my nigga, spare that shit. When life hit you hard, can you bear that lick? Or will you let your dreams fester like a raisin in the sun? See, I'm raising me a son, so my days is never done. Cause he gon' be a spitting image of me, just the best of me. All my faith and destiny, life already written for me, nigga, ain't no testing me.
Kelly spread through the Benjis, nigga.
I don't believe in fate, nigga, all my faith and destiny. I don't believe in fate, nigga, all my faith and destiny. I don't believe in fate, nigga, all my faith and destiny. I don't believe in fate, nigga, all my faith and destiny. All my faith and destiny. I don't believe in fate, nigga, all my faith in. I don't believe in fate, nigga, all my faith in. I don't believe in fate, nigga, all my faith and destiny. Yeah, nigga, all my faith and destiny. All my faith and destiny, nigga. All my faith and destiny. Yeah, nigga, all my faith and destiny.